Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is home tour day. In my last video I asked you guys if you were interested in seeing a home tour. I was pretty surprised to hear so many of you say that you would like to see my home. So today I'm going to walk you through my house and share with you some of my favorite rooms and my favorite pieces in my house. So if you enjoy this video, I would love you to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more, and let's get on with the tour. Well, it makes sense to start at the very beginning. So this is my front door, and you're going to see a lot of plants in this video because I just have an obsession with houseplants. So basically this is what you see when you walk in my front door, and my office is just to the left of the front door. This is my office. You may actually recognize this particular plant that is in the background of many of my YouTube videos. Sometimes this bookcase is also in the background. Now we just head upstairs, and most of the living room and the bedrooms and the living space is upstairs in my home. This is the lounge room. It's pretty simple. I like a fairly muted color palette. It is spring at the moment here in New Zealand, so I've just got this little lavender plant sitting on top of my coffee table, which I made out of a pallet and added some wheels to it. And here I have a Kentia, I think this is a Kentia palm in the corner with my guitar, which is not often used. This fiddle leaf fig takes pride of place in the corner of my lounge room. I've had this for a number of years and I absolutely love it. Now we're in our dining room with some of the prints that I have on the wall, and they are sitting above my leather daybed, which creates a really lovely place just to sort of lie down and read a book. And this is our dining room. I love the fact that our house is very open and airy and is really connected to the outside and the greenery. I have a little bit of a passion for gin and tonic, you could say, so I've set up a little bit of a kind of a bar area here just right next to the kitchen. And this is our kitchen, which is pretty simple. It's very white and minimal, and I like to keep the countertops as clear and clutter-free as possible. This is a deck that leads out from our lounge room, and a smaller deck which is great for just catching up, having a drink, and it leads to our swimming pool, which it's starting to warm up here now in New Zealand, so I'm about to start using this. This is my cat River, who was a little camera shy, but was definitely up for a little bit of a tummy tickle and an ear scratch. This is my bedroom, and it looks out over the bush, which is a beautiful way to wake up. It's also a really large room, so I find it quite relaxing to be in. This is just a snuggly throw or a couple of throws on my bed. This is my ensuite, and I've always wanted a vanity with double sinks, which I find really handy. Another little plant, and I can't remember what this one's called, but a fern that sits in my bathroom and does really well in here. I'm sure it's the steam that helps this one. My walk-in wardrobe, and I will link in a card here a video that I've done when I did a major declutter of my wardrobe. This wall hanging hangs on this small wall between my boys' bedrooms. I love the texture of this and it just adds some interest. These are my boys' rooms. This is Guy's room, who is 16. It's a fairly simple room. And this is Jed's room. He is 13, almost 14. And again, really simple. He has his blinds down, but he has lovely bushy green views out of his window, which I think are really nice. This is their bathroom. And again, it's very simple. And they're just some dot decals on the wall, just to add a little bit of interest to an otherwise fairly white plain bathroom. And as you can see, I have a little Jo Malone fragrance obsession too. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly had fun filming it for you. And I have been thinking that I should create a weekly vlog where I bring you guys along for the ride, whether I'm going to work, functions or launches or doing fun stuff. So please let me know in the comments below by leaving the word vlog if you would like me to start creating a weekly vlog series. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It actually means a lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. All right, and I think that's it. I'm signing off. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.